Good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine at your home and doing your work properly. Yes. So, students, today I am here to teach you EVS. To teach you EVS. In EVS, we have already completed lesson 1 to 6. Today is the day of lesson number 7. What is the topic in lesson 7? But topic I have not written here. I didn't write what is topic today we are going to discuss. Okay. So can you guess what topic we are going today? Okay. So students, first of all tell me which season is going on? Which season is going on? Yes, summer season. In this season, we like to eat ice cream, like to drink cold drink, drinking water, etc. We do like now. Okay. Now suppose in this season, days hot ना बहुत गर्म होते हैं, and when we go outside, we feel very thirsty. We feel thirsty ना. Then what should we do? When we are feeling thirsty, then what should we do? हमें क्या करना चाहिए? Yes, we should drink water to quench our thirst. हमें पानी पीना चाहिए ना हमारी प्यास बुझाने के लिए. Yes. So students, today our topic is water. Today our topic is water. Okay. What is the spelling of water? W-A-T-E-R. Water. Okay. As you know, water is very essential for us. Water is very essential now. Yes. And do you know it is very useful for us in a lot of ways like drinking, washing, cooking, bathing, etc. We use water now. We use water in different ways. Okay. So students, as you know, water is essential for everyone. Like plants or animals also need water to survive. Okay, plants और animals को भी water चाहिए होता है. Animals require water for bathing and drinking. Okay, and the plants also require water. How do plants require water? Yes, plants require water to grow. Very good. Okay, plants को बढ़ने में help करते हैं ना water. Yes. So students, as you know, today our topic is water, and there are different uses of water. We use water in our kitchen. We use in bathroom for washing, etc. So students, now one question is coming in my mind. From where we get this water? कहाँ से मिलता है? Yes, we get water from oceans, sea, pond, lake, etc. These are the sources of water. Okay. Yes, students. Now we are discuss about uses of water, sources of water, and the purification ways of water. Okay. Firstly, we are talking about uses of water. Okay, students, as you know, water is very essential for us. We cannot live without water. हम पानी के बिना रह सकते हैं? No, it's not possible. Okay, students, we cannot live without water. Animals and plants also require water. Okay, we use water for drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G, drinking. Okay, washing. W-A-S-H-I-N-G, washing. Cooking. Bathing, etc. Okay, in these things we use water now. Like these students, animal need this water for drinking and bathing, and plants also require water to grow. Okay, plants को भी बढ़ने के लिए water require होता है. Okay, so students, now we will discuss about how many sources of water. From where we get water? Yes, can you tell me? Yes, students, First of all, I will tell you which is the main source of water. From there we get water. सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे main source. What is the main source of water? Yes, guess it. Yes, you are right. Rain is the main source of water. Okay, RAIN. Rain is the main source of water. Okay, rain is the main source of water. After that, very good. Oceans, 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 wells, seas, ponds, lakes, rivers, etc. There are different types of sources from where we get water. Okay, in this which we should know, firstly, what is the main source of water? Rain. Rain is the main source of water. Do you know, students? Oceans are the largest water body on the earth. Okay, ocean is the largest water body on the earth. After that, seas. Seas are smaller than oceans. Okay, seas जो होते हैं वो ocean से थोड़े छोटे होते हैं. Okay, and do you know these are the sources of water? Yes, students. Now we are talking about rain. Rain is the main source of water. Students, do you know when the rain comes, the rainwater flows and gets forming into the lakes and rivers, and the remaining water of the rainwater seeps into the ground and became underground water. Do you know? So students, देखो जब बारिश होती है तो बारिश का पानी कहाँ चला जाता है? नदियों में, तालाबों में, पॉन्ड्स में, लेक्स में, रिवर्स में चला जाता है ना. एंड द रिमेनिंग रेन वाटर, जो बारिश का पानी बचा हुआ होता है, सिप्स इनटू द ग्राउंड, वो पानी जमीन के नीचे चला जाता है एंड बिकम अंडरग्राउंड वाटर. नाउ डू यू नो हाउ कैन वी गेट द अंडरग्राउंड वाटर? जो पानी नीचे चला जाता है, हाउ कैन वी गेट इट? वो हमें कैसे मिलता है? यस, for get this water we should dig the earth in the form of wells, tubewells. Okay, have you seen wells? कुएं देखे? Yes, we can see wells in villages easily. Yes, students, do you know why is Earth called blue planet? Do you know? Yes, students, 3/4 part of the earth is covered with water. That's why we can call Earth is blue planet. That's why we call the Earth is blue planet. Okay. Now students, you know very well there are different water bodies. There are different water bodies now. Yes. So students, the water of these water bodies is not fit for drinking. Okay. We cannot drink because it is not fit for us. If we will drink this water, then we can fall ill. Okay, so what should we do? Yes, before drinking or before getting the water, we should purify the water. Okay, do you know how we will purify the water? Yes, if we boil the water, by boiling. Okay, by boiling. If we boil the water before drinking, then the germs of water should be killed. मर जाएंगे. Okay, that's why we should boil the water. After that we should drink, or we can filter it. Okay, we can filter the water. After that we should drink. If we will drink purified water, then we cannot fall ill. फिर हम बीमार नहीं पड़ सकते. Okay, so students, in this topic we have already discussed about uses of water, sources of water and purification of water. Yes students, now we are talking about safe handling of water. Okay, safe handling of water. How can we save our water? Okay, first one is always use a pot with a handle to take out water. Okay, ऑलवेज यूज अ पॉट. अगर पानी निकालना है तो हमें क्या यूज करना होता है? पॉट. हैंडल, जो हैंडल वाला होता है ना, Okay, and next one is never put your direct hand into the drinking water. Firstly, we should wash our hand and after that we should take a water. Okay, like never put your direct hand. हमें कभी भी direct hand बाहर से आए खेलते हुए और पानी पी लिया. No, we should not do like this. Firstly, we should wash our hand and after that we should take out water and then we should drink. And number 3, keep them well covered when it not in use. जब हम उसको यूज नहीं कर रहे तो हमें कैसा रखना चाहिए वो? Covered. Okay. Now students, we are talking about how the water is dirtying and how should we save our water. Okay, let's start. Yes students, as you know, the amount of pure water is limited on the earth. As you know ना, the जो प्योर वाटर है उसकी जो अमाउंट है हमारे पास वो बहुत कम है. So we can say the amount of pure water is limited on the earth. Okay, so we should not dirty the water. We should not the dirty of water. How we are dirtying the water? Do you know? Yes, when we wash the cloth. When we wash the cloth. When we wash the cloth, we are dirtying the water. We are dirtying water. जब हम wash करते हैं clothes, it means we are dirtying water. Okay, we should not waste extra water. Okay, when we take bath, when we take bath, okay, then also we are wasting water. And when we clean a house or vehicle, okay, then also we are dirtying the water. When some animals bathing in a pond, okay, जब animals हैं वो bathing कर रहे हैं rivers में और ponds में, then the water get polluted ना? Yes. So students, we should take care of these things. We should never waste the water and never dirtying the water. Okay. Now, yes students, do you know what is this? What is this? Yes. Guess it. Yes, you are right. This is a water drop. This is a water drop. Yes, this is water drop. And it is saying, I am very precious. It is saying, I am very precious. Students, as you know, water is very essential for us. So it is very precious for us. So students, we should not waste our water. Okay? We should reuse the water whenever it possible. Okay? हमें reuse करना चाहिए water का जब भी हमारे लिए possible हो. Okay? We should not open the tap. Okay? We should use buckets while bathing. Okay? So some etc. things we should follow. Okay? So students, at last I want to say we must save water. Okay? You have to keep these things in your mind and help to save the water. So save water, save life. Okay? Now let's see a poem based on water. What is it saying?
Water we drink and water we use to wash our vessels, our clothes and shoes. With water we bathe and wash our hair. But what do we do when it isn't there? Shut the tap when you don't need it. Don't let water overflow. When you learn to save water, you will have enough and more. Water we drink and water we use to wash our vessels, our clothes and shoes. With water we bathe and wash our hair. But what do we do when it isn't there? Shut the tap when you don't need it. Don't let water overflow. When you learn to save water, you will have enough and more.
Let's see. Yes students, how was it? कैसी लगी? कैसी थी वीडियो? Do you like it? So students, you have to save the water. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Students.